All right, guys, I am here to announce the winner of our pumpkin contest. All right, you ready? Drum roll. No? Okay. Woo, it's a tie. Okay, so the first pumpkin here, our DJ Marshmallow, that was Riley's pumpkin. And then we have this one here, which was Eli's pumpkin. So congratulations. Riley, I will have you a little goodie when you return on Monday. And Eli, if your mom wants, I will make you a little goodie also to have in the office to pick up. And she can come pick it up for you. But congratulations to our winners. They both had 4 votes apiece. So Riley got 4 votes and Eli got 4 votes. It was a close one. The votes were pretty spread out and everybody had a few. So good job, guys. I'm so proud. This was fun.